Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Windows 10 is fully updated and you reboot once. This clears temporary driver locks. Then, remove external USB readers and plug nothing in because built-in sensors avoid device conflicts. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign-in Options. This is where Fingerprint entries live. Once there, if a fingerprint is present, delete it to force a clean enrollment. This first reset step prevents corrupt templates and prepares Windows Hello to accept a fresh biometric profile. Now you handle drivers and services, which are often the real culprits. Open Device Manager, find the biometric sensor, and choose Update Driver. Use automatic search. Drivers must match Windows build. Next, open Services, locate Windows Biometric Service, and restart it, because the service mediates hardware and Windows Hello. Then run the hardware and devices troubleshooter or execute SFC with SFC/scano from an elevated command, prompt to repair corrupted system files that block enrollment. Make sure each step completes before moving on. Reboot one more time, and then re-enroll your fingerprint through Settings Sign-in Options Fingerprint. Follow on-screen swipes until Windows confirms enrollment. If the sensor still rejects you, remove and re-add your PIN first, because Windows Hello ties biometric keys to the PIN. Finally, check group policy and TPM status. A disabled TPM or restrictive policy can block biometrics. If everything else fails, clear TPM only after backing up. This resets secure keys and often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.